This is your sign to make money on YouTube. Are you tired of your YouTube channel not growing? Do you want to monetize your videos to the fullest? Well, you're in luck, because I'm about to reveal to you the easiest, most effective, and most money-making ways to get started on YouTube. You might think that to make money on YouTube, you need thousands of subscribers and hundreds of thousands of views. Wrong. Here are 5 simple steps to earn money from your YouTube channel without any prior experience. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel. This is your personal space, where you can showcase your personality, share your interests, and entertain your audience. To start, go to YouTube, click on Create a Channel, and fill out the required information. Step 2. Customize your channel. Make it visually appealing by uploading a profile picture, channel art, and channel name. Use a consistent aesthetic throughout your videos to create a brand identity. Step 3. Choose the right content. Research popular topics and trends in your niche and create high-quality, engaging videos that address the needs and interests of your target audience. Remember, consistency is key. Step 4. Optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords, descriptions, and tags to improve your video's visibility and drive more organic traffic to your channel. Step 5. Promote your videos on social media. Share your videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other platforms too. Reach a wider audience and encourage subscriptions and engagement. These are the 5 easiest and most effective ways to make money from YouTube. Remember, the key to success is creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. So, have fun, stay creative, and watch your YouTube channel soar to new heights.